Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bus driver. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my pencil to draw the bus with a driver in it. First of all, draw a straight line and two more lines in both sides. Let's connect them. Now I'll divide this section into few parts. Here is the first part. And here's another one. And this is the third part. I'm drawing two big looking glass here. Perfect. Now I'm drawing the wheels. Let's divide this section into two parts. This is the driver's seat. Now I'm drawing the headlight. Now I'm using my black pen. I'm extremely sorry for the interruption. I couldn't record the coloring. I used my orange highlighter pen here. Now let's draw the driver. Now I'm using my blue pen. Little bit of red for his tie. Now I'm using my red highlighter pen. Before coloring, I should draw something more, so I'm using my black pen. Now I can continue coloring with my red highlighter pen. Now I'm using my blue pen. For the wheels, I'm using my black marker pen. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. Now I'm using my orange pen. Now I'm using my gray pen. Now for the roof of the bus, I'm using my pencil. Now I'm using my gray pen. For the seat, I'm using blue pen. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. Now I'm using my cyan pen. Now I'm using my blue highlighter pen. Now I'm using my cyan pen again. I'm using my blue pen again. And now for the rest, I'm using my cyan colored pencil. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.